5 Best Metaverse Stocks to Buy Now. In late October, Facebook Inc. made news when it announced that it will change its corporate name to Meta as part of a new focus on creating a metaverse. The idea is to create integrated virtual online habitats for individuals to live, work, and play in. A real-life version of the Matrix may appear to be science fiction, but ideas like the internet and self-driving vehicles once did. According to Bank of America, the global metaverse market might rise to between $390 billion and $800 billion by the mid-2020s. Many investors see virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, as the next big technological frontiers. Virtual reality, VR, technologies which entirely immerse users in digital worlds, have the potential to revolutionize how we socialize, play, and work. AR technologies, which use digital projections to supplement the physical environment, have the potential to permanently change how we interact with our surroundings. Welcome to Stocks Galore, the place for those in passionate pursuit of financial freedom. Smash the like button now, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to be notified when new videos are released. Today, we'll look at 3 tech businesses that have already built strong footholds in the burgeoning virtual reality and augmented reality marketplaces, and why they may still have opportunity to expand in the future. Here are the top 5 metaverse stocks to buy right now. 1. Meta Platforms, ticker symbol MVRS. In a statement, Facebook stated that the company will officially change its name to Meta and its stock symbol to MVRS on December 1. The metaverse, according to CEO Mark Zuckerberg, is a version of the internet that people can enter rather than merely see. Today, we are seen as a social media company, but our DNA is a firm that produces technology to link people, and the metaverse is the next frontier, just as social networking was when we started, Zuckerberg said at a media event. Facebook's virtual reality companies Oculus and Horizon will almost certainly play a key part in its metaverse drive. Meta Platforms, the tech behemoth once known as Facebook, continues to rely on internet advertising for nearly all of its revenue. In the long run, however, Meta will focus on expanding its platforms throughout the metaverse, which blends the physical and digital worlds across VR and AR platforms, as its recent rebranding shows. Meta's metaverse is built around its subsidiary Oculus, which offers virtual reality devices and software. Horizon Workrooms, a new expansion of that ecosystem, takes on Zoom and other video conferencing platforms with VR meetings for up to 16 individuals represented by digital avatars, posing a threat to Zoom and other video conferencing services. Facebook also confirmed the development of Project Cambria, a high-end mixed reality headgear that might include AR and VR elements, and debuted its first pair of smart glasses with EssilorLuxottica's Ray-Ban, which can be used to shoot images, videos, and calls. All of these initiatives suggest that Meta's non-advertising operations, which accounted for less than 3% of the company's revenue last quarter, could potentially become substantially larger and offset the company's contentious reliance on tailored ads. It also implies that, in the future, Meta's social media users would be able to meet up in virtual locations, rather than browsing through news feeds on their computers and phones. 2. Matterport, ticker symbol MTTR. Matterport is the industry leader in 3D digital copies of buildings, which is a huge and expanding market. The company is well positioned to maintain its great success thanks to a rising subscription business, impressive profitability potential, and a large addressable market. I urge that investors buy stocks with a long-term 5+ year horizon in mind and continue to add to their positions as prices fall. Matterport is a technology company that uses a collection of data points unique to each reconstructed area to produce digital 3D representations of structures. It was founded in 2011. Customers benefit from these models and the data they generate in a variety of ways, including real estate brokerages offering virtual open houses, retailers managing thousands of store locations remotely, construction firms improving the efficiency and accuracy of their monitoring processes, and insurance firms improving the documentation and evaluation of claims and underwriting assessments. Matterport makes money through 4 different business segments. Subscription, a freemium approach with subscription levels ranging from a single-user single space to multiple users/unlimited spaces, with prices based on the number of users and active spaces. Sales of the Pro 2 camera as a product. Services include Matterport's on-demand capture services for enterprise subscribers throughout the world, as well as in-app purchases like schematic floor layouts made via Matterport's iPhone or Android apps. License: data license solutions that provide clients with access to the company's exclusive digital twin data. License revenue is very variable because licenses are perpetual and revenue is recorded only when the licensed data is delivered. Matterport has a huge first-mover advantage and controls a sizable and untapped market for digital reconstruction. The company is expected to have 100x the amount of spaces on its platform as the rest of the nascent market, with 5.6 million spaces under administration, digitized building scans. It can supply consumers with geographical data insights from its large library of 3 billion 3D data points because of its unequaled scale. Most crucially, the organization can scale effectively as more of the constructed world goes online thanks to a fully automated digitizing process. This highly scalable technological platform sets Matterport apart from other fast-growing companies like Zillow, who are struggling to keep up with demand growth. The overall addressable market for 3D reconstruction, according to management, is more than 20 billion areas around the world. It believes that the current serviceable addressable market is 1.3 billion places worldwide, implying that Matterport has a market penetration of less than 1%. With a well-established market presence and a customer list that includes 13% of the Fortune 1000, the company has enormous potential and a lengthy growth runway ahead of it. Matterport raised its spaces under management by 75% in Q2 2021, leveraging its market-leading position to further enter the market. 3. VUZix, ticker symbol VUZI. VUZix is a unique, pure play in the burgeoning augmented reality sector. The 8-year-old startup produces a variety of augmented reality headsets for the enterprise, OEM, and mainstream consumer markets. Remote employees, healthcare professionals, and the military largely use its M-series AR headsets. Home users are the target market for its Blade AR headphones, which are linked to Amazon's Alexa and Alphabet's Google Assistant. VUZix is a modest business, but its revenue has increased from $2.1 million in 2016 to $11.6 million in 2020. During the epidemic, demand for its M-series headsets surged, and analysts predict that revenue will rise another 36% to $15.7 million this year. VUZix isn't profitable yet, but its pragmatic approach to the AR industry, which focuses on meeting the demands of certain businesses, provides it an early mover's advantage in the enterprise AR market, which Facebook and Snap have largely neglected. Microsoft's HoloLens and Google's industry-focused version of Google Glass compete with VUZix, but enterprise customers that don't want to be tied to those tech giants may prefer VUZix's products. As a result, investors searching for a small-cap AR play with plenty of upside should check into VUZix. 4. Unity Software Inc., ticker symbol U. Unity Software is the owner of one of the two main 3D game engines, which allows game designers to modify how players move and interact in their games. The Unity engine is used by 94 of the top 100 game production teams. Unity CEO John Riccitiello said on the company's second quarter earnings call that the company will support and shape the metaverse, emphasizing content creation, cross-platform access, and narrowing the distance and reducing the friction between creators and consumers. Unity could be a key player in helping businesses create unique metaverse presences, similar to websites or social media pages today. 5. Snap, ticker symbol SNAP. Snap released Spectacles, its first pair of smart glasses, 5 years ago to make it easier to take photographs and films for Snapchat. Snap revealed the fourth generation of those spectacles with embedded AR displays earlier this year. For the time being, this new version is only for developers, but it might help Snap keep its lead against Facebook's forthcoming smart glasses. Every day, more than 200 million Snapchat users interact with the company's AR lenses, filters, and games. Snap's Lens Studio has produced over 1.5 million lenses, and the company is expanding its AR ecosystem by partnering with companies like Bumble, which integrates Snapchat's AR lenses into its video chats, Disney, which incorporates its AR lenses into its theme parks, and Ralph Lauren and Estee Lauder MAC Cosmetics, which both use its lenses to power AR-driven shopping experiences. Bobby Murphy, Snap's chief technology officer, said during the company's investor day in February that the company's Landmarker and Local Lenses features, which allow users to interact with AR filters placed on top of real-world locations, were the precursors to large-scale, robust 3D mapping that will someday allow anyone, anywhere to engage with AR connected to any physical space. That's a bold assertion, but Snap is already using AR lenses to change the way businesses sell their products and services. Snapchat has the potential to change how people perceive the world in the long run. So there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button now and subscribe to our channel to be notified when new videos are released.